Assalamualaikum and good evening. I hope everyone have a nice day today. My name is Nurfar Fazlin binti Anwar. My metric number is S51942. Today I want to present about my FYP final year project with the title Level of Financial Literacy Among Youth in Malaysia in 4 aspects, which are saving, expenditure, investment and credit management. My supervisor is Dr. Zaidihan binti Abdul Halim. For the introduction, in recent years, statistics issued by the Department of Insolvency Malaysia show that many youth have now been declared as a bankrupt at the early age, and this number of this group are increased from year to year. Most of these young adults do not have a systematic financial management and planning, and also do not have a solid basic knowledge related to finance, so that they are able to make informed and wise financial decision. For the main goals, this research was carried out with two objective research. First of all, to determine the level of financial literacy, and second is to investigate the relationship between financial literacy and financial behavior in 4 areas, which are saving, expenditure, investment and credit management. For the method that I use to this research is for the sampling, I use the convenience sampling, which allow anyone between the age from 15 until 40 to participate as a respondent. Since my focus in research among youth, so I choose the respondent in the age between 15 until 40 years only. This research also is limited to the youth population in Malaysia. The study used the questionnaire as an instrument, which is administered online by using Google Form, and the total that I succeed to collect as a valid respondent is 220 only. And for the run data, I use the statistical package for social science SPSS version 25.0 to run the data using the descriptive analysis to find the frequency values and mean score using the Pearson correlation test, and I also use the multiple linear regression analysis. The reliability of the questionnaire item is alpha Cronbach equal to 0.842, which means this number have a good level to proceed for run data analysis. For the result that I found is there is a significant relationship between the financial literacy and financial behavior that I found this significant from run the data using Pearson correlation test, and the amount of financial literacy is also a characteristic that has a significant impact on financial behavior according to this study. So for the conclusion, the youth adult and the young adult should be encouraged to participate in a variety of financial program designed by authorities agency to raise awareness of the need of financial literacy and to help them avoid financial troubles in the future. So that's all from me. Thank you.